Hey everyone, welcome back. Ready for another deep dive.
Always ready to dive in.
All right, so this time we're tackling something a little different. Usually we're all about strategies, indicators, that sort of thing. But
Got to switch things up sometimes, right?
exactly. And that's where this awesome source you guys sent in comes in. It's all about, get this, finding humor and taking a break from trading.
You know, I think that's so important. I mean, we always talk about the mental game in trading,
Absolutely.
but, sometimes you just need to step away from it all, right? And if you can find a way to do it that's actually fun.
And not feel guilty about it.
Yeah, exactly. Not feeling like you should be checking charts or, reading the latest news.
That's the worst. So this source is all about practical but also funny tips for detaching from the markets.
I'm intrigued.
Right. What does that even look like? The source actually mentions finding hobbies that look nothing like a chart.
Okay, I can see where the humor comes in.
Right. I mean, can you imagine, knitting a sweater and accidentally creating a head and shoulders pattern?
Oh, no. That's hilarious.
Seriously. Or, trying to bake a cake and it ends up resembling a bearish engulfing candle.
Stop, you're killing me. But on a serious note, that idea of finding activities that engage different parts of your brain,
That's really smart.
it's crucial. I mean, think about it. Trading is so mentally demanding, right? So giving your mind a break by doing something completely different.
Yeah, like a mental reset.
Exactly. It can actually help you perform better when you come back to the charts.
I totally get that. So, what kind of things are we talking about here?
Well, the source mentions some really interesting examples. Things like rock climbing, for instance.
Okay, rock climbing. How does that relate?
So rock climbing requires intense focus, right? You have to
Right.
think about your next move, assess the risks.
Right, and make decisions in the moment.
Exactly. And those are all skills that are super valuable in trading, right? But with rock climbing, you're not staring at a screen.
No charts involved.
You're out in nature, you're using your body. It's a whole different kind of challenge.
Okay, I'm starting to see the connection. What about something more, I don't know, creative?
Oh, absolutely. The source also talks about things like painting or playing a musical instrument.
So, tapping into that creative side.
Exactly. And that can be so beneficial for traders, even if it seems totally unrelated, because creativity is all about thinking outside the box, right?
Finding new solutions, new perspectives.
Exactly. And that can really help you avoid getting stuck in a rut with your trading. Plus, it's a great way to express emotions, release stress.
Well, that's huge. I mean, we all know trading can be stressful.
Right. So finding healthy outlets for that stress, it's essential. It can really make a difference in your overall well-being.
And probably your trading performance, too.
Absolutely. A clear mind is a powerful asset in the markets. This reminds me of a story I heard about a very successful trader.
Well, I love trader stories.
So this trader, they swore by meditation, said it was their secret weapon for staying sharp and focused.
So not just taking a break, but actually training the mind.
Precisely. Meditation, mindfulness, it can really help traders manage all the noise, the constant influx of information.
It's like a filter for all that data.
Exactly. It helps you make more rational decisions, especially in those high-pressure moments.
That makes me think it's almost like taking a break isn't just about avoiding burnout.
It's an investment.
Yes, it's like investing in yourself, in your ability to be a better trader.
Exactly. It's about recognizing that rest and rejuvenation are just as important as any technical analysis.
I love that. So we've got intense focus with rock climbing, creative expression with art or music.
Mindfulness through meditation. It's all about finding what works for you.
Right, what actually feels restorative.
Exactly. And that might be different for everyone. The key is to experiment. Try different things and see what really helps you disconnect and recharge.
Okay, so we've covered some pretty cool options. But what about just completely unplugging? Getting away from screens, from all the noise?
That's where nature comes in. Spending time in nature has been shown to reduce stress hormones, improve cognitive function.
I've definitely felt that. Even a short walk outside can make a difference.
Absolutely. It's like hitting the reset button on your brain. And it doesn't have to be anything fancy. A walk in the park, a hike in the woods, even just sitting in your backyard.
Just being present.
Yeah.
Without all the distractions.
Exactly. It allows your mind to wander, to process things, to come up with new ideas. It's like fertile ground for creativity and problem solving.
This whole conversation has been eye-opening. I mean, I knew taking breaks was important, but I never really thought about it as an essential part of my trading strategy.
And it is. It's an investment in your long-term success, both in trading and in life.
So as we wrap up, I want to leave everyone with a challenge. Think about one thing you can do this week to disconnect, to recharge, to invest in yourself.
And as you do that, I want you to ask yourself, what does success really mean to you? Not just in terms of profits, but in terms of your overall well-being, your happiness.
That's a powerful question. And maybe the answer lies in finding those moments of humor, those opportunities to step away and recharge, so you can come back to the markets with a fresh perspective and a renewed sense of purpose.
And don't forget to have fun along the way.
Absolutely. Thanks for joining us for this deep dive. We'll catch you next time.
See you then.